Hey guys! I hope you're doing well, and if not, I hope it gets better. I'm Naley Gonzalez, author of the new adult psychic suspense novel Like My Mother Before Me. If this is your first visit, welcome to my channel, where every Sunday I share writing tips and advice, the self-publishing process, my own opinion on stuff going on in the writing world, and unboxing videos like today's. If you're a writer trying to write a book or a reader interested in the writing process, I recommend you click that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you never miss any of my videos. If you're a returning subscriber and friend, thank you endlessly for joining me again today. I love you and appreciate you. You're the real MVP. Now, today I'm unboxing physical copies of my novel Like My Mother Before Me for the first time. If you remember, I held a pre-sale giveaway for my novel's debut. 3 winners would get a special edition book box that's exclusive to my website. Each special edition box would include a signed hardcover of Like My Mother Before Me, all 8 character prints, a Like My Mother Before Me bookmark, a unique calavera candle, and all 3 pin designs created for the book. I'm sure there are some of you who are like,
but the book came out in October. Why are you just getting them in now?
And you are correct. But 2020 was one hell of a bitch. In case you didn't know or unsubscribed to my mailing list, I was extremely meticulous with planning the debut of my novel. Then 2020 decided to take the phrase,
"Nothing goes according to plan,"
to another level. There was a mistake that I made that delayed physical release by a week, but then there were design issues that kept coming up, then mailing issues once the design was done. Just so you're aware, I ordered the proof copy before these, and it's still in mail limbo. A part of me really thought I was never gonna be able to hold my book in my hands. Do know that I'm not sharing these details to scare you off from self-publishing. I just want you to know that shit that is completely out of your control can and will happen. And as frustrating and as discouraging as it can be, you have to roll with the punches and keep fighting until you get the results that you want. But all of that is behind us now because the books are finally here, and I'm thrilled and super nervous to open them with you. Okay, before I pass out, let's open this baby. Try to I think I'm more nervous than I was before. If you're a writer or author who's gotten physical copies of your book before, please let me know down in the comments. Just share your experience. I'd really love to know what it was like for you. Okay, let's do this. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, plastic. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Guys, look. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. I'm like shaking. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, it's so perfect. Look at me. That's me in there, guys. Oh. Yes! Oh, I can't wait to show this with you. Oh my goodness, look. So this is the dust jacket. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh. And this is the hardback. Oh. Oh my gosh. They really are perfect. Oh man. This was definitely worth the wait. And I can't wait to send them out. Oh wow. And I got like the matte cover, and I was a little hesitant, but it's like so pretty. Oh man. Oh, I can't, like, I'm literally at a loss for words. This is great. Like, I gotta check like all three and make sure they're just as great. Oh. Just show this off again. Look how pretty that is. Oh. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy I finally got these in. By the time this video posts, I'm sure these will be on their way to the lucky winners. This is such an amazing and unreal experience. Like, guys, I made this. This is phenomenal. And I'm also happy to share that hardcovers for Like My Mother Before Me are available for purchase from all major retailers, including Amazon and Barnes & Noble. Signed copies that come in special book boxes are available on my website for the same price as other retailers. All the links are listed in the description below. And remember to share your experience of getting your proof copy or any proof of your books in the comments. Like, this is so surreal, and I'd love to know if this will happen every time I get a book in. Please give this a like so I know you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for writing tips and advice and more fun videos like this one. I post new videos on Sundays, so turn on your notifications so you never miss a video, and join my mailing list and follow me on social media to always stay in the know for my novels and future writing projects. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time. And also buy my book.